Assalamualaikum viewers, this is Atif Rahman with another episode of Twin Cooking on Twin TV. Today we'll be teaching you how to make popcorn chicken. Perfect recipe for iftar time and then a perfect snack afterwards once Ramadan is finished. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. Okay viewers, so for the step 1 of the popcorn chicken, we are going to first marinate the chicken. So I have about 250 grams of boneless chicken cut into cubes. We will start off by adding 1.5 tablespoon of lemon water, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of red crushed chilies. Now salt is obviously to taste. And now we'll just mix it all up. So just once we're finished mixing this, we will put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. Now ideally, if you are able to do it overnight, that would be the best, but about an hour or two is fine too. Okay, and now it's ready to be placed in the fridge. Alright viewers, so 2 hours have passed for the marinated chicken, and I have taken about 2 eggs beaten and then some flour. So first I will dip the popcorn chicken, the chicken into the egg like so, and then I will take it all out and then put it into the flour. Now those of you who are familiar with the Abedo brand, you can definitely use that, as I've shown in my previous videos, for the mixture rather than the flour. Now that the chicken is fully mixed into the flour, I will start adding it into the deep fryer, 1 piece at a time. Now once it's in the deep fryer, it shouldn't take longer than 4 to 5 minutes to properly cook it. Okay viewers, so 5 minutes have passed. As you can see, the shape of the popcorn chicken looks very nice, very delicious, fully fried. It's ready to take out. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So here you go viewers, this is our final product. Please try it out. Leave a comment below if you did, and send us a picture so we can post it on our Instagram. Until we see you again, remember us in your prayers. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Atif Rahman and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.